my friends, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another Decorate With Me video. Today we are going to be decorating my dining room. This is technically my formal dining room, but it is a space that we eat dinner in as a family almost every single night. So I like adding lots of soft spring Eastery touches to this room, but also making sure that it is functional still for us to be able to eat. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here is a little overview of the room. I did give it a good wipe down. I am leaving all my dishes in the china cabinet. I'm just going to swap out some greenery and add a couple more things to it. I'm also going to be adding new things to the table as well as this bar cart, and I'm going to be adding some spring flowers to this pot as well, just to brighten up the space. I thought that forsythias would look really good in this pot, bringing that touch of spring into this corner. I have gotten these several years ago at a Dollarama. I have been using them throughout my house as well as outside before I can put actual real flowers out. I like adding these, and sometimes I add them even with some fresh pansies. I just think it screams spring, screams Easter, and I like adding it all anywhere I can just for that pop of color. And it's not too bright or too wild of a color. It's just enough color to give it a spring look. Let me know, are you guys decorating for Easter, or are you just diving in and decorating for spring? I kind of like having it separate. There's not a huge difference between my spring and Easter decor, but spring will definitely, once Easter is over, I will be switching it just to spring decor and kind of removing all the Easter touches that I am adding now for that time. But for now, I do like to decorate, add the Easter touches before Easter, along with some spring decor. I just think it looks so cute and the kids get the kick out of it. So what do you guys think? I think this looks really nice. So now I'm going to be moving on to my china cabinet, and I'm going to swap out some of these olive branches for baby's breath. I did get this baby's breath at Dollarama as well several years back. I did talk about this in my other video with Dollarama. It's a hit and miss with their greenery. Sometimes they do, when they do have things, they are really good quality. They look kind of expensive too, comparable to Michael's look. Maybe not as high quality as Michael's, but definitely the look is there. But it's just the matter of them having this greenery, because sometimes it's slim pickings in there. I have used this baby's breath throughout my house previous years, as well as for my DIY projects, my spring DIY projects. So I have a ton of it, probably about 12 bunches. The little vases that are that I'm adding them to came from Dublin Mercantile, or is it Mercantile? I don't know. Let me know how you guys say it. I've heard it both ways.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sun.
over here, I'm going to add a couple wood touches just to tie in the little wood piece that I have on top. I just think it gives it a cohesive look. This was a DIY that I created. The little bunny came from a little store. I forget what it's called now, but it's just a bunny sitting on top of an egg. And then the little wooden bunnies came from Home Sense.
People talking, the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken.
In this cloche that came from Home Sense, I wanted to create a bit of a bird nest type of look, so I'm going to add some of these speckled Dollar Tree eggs, as well as a kind of a grassy garland from Dollarama.
Try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I really like the way this turned out. I think it has just enough decor and lots of bright, cheerful colors in it.
I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in, just 'cause the thought of being...
I'm going to be adding my new olive tree in here, and the basket came from Home Sense. I did just purchase this recently, and I felt like this corner needed a little something in there, and I think the olive tree looks perfect. I will be raising it up a little bit, and I still need to buy some fillers to put in there.
Vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose.
Now over on this table, I'm still using the same table runner. I do love this table runner, and I think it's pretty good. It looks pretty good with any season really, but I tend to use it more for winter and spring. I do have a different table runner that I like using for summer, and then fall and Christmas have their own table runners as well. So I like getting a use out of this one. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know this vase has been on my coffee table for a while. I am moving it over here, and I'm going to add these little flowers. Now, these did come from Michael's, I believe. They were the cheaper ones. That I know when I was looking for these type of flowers, they had some stems that were like $19. That were similar looking. These were $3.99, which is just right for my budget. And I want to keep decor on this table simple because I do move it daily for us to eat here. I used to, when I went back with daycare, I did feed the kids here. I'm really glad that I had taken them out because in a matter of no time, the chairs and table would have gotten ruined. It was just from constantly cleaning, wiping, and we were doing art here and all sorts of stuff. Now I did purchase a folding table and 6 small chairs that the kids use now, just in front of the kitchen, so that way I can just pack it away and this table stays nice and clean.
That's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in from that moment. I knew that you were all I missed. Baby,
Now moving on to the little bar card. I love this bar card. I think it's I've been using it when we have people over. I do use it as a bar card as well, and then while I don't want to use it as a bar card when we don't have people here, because I cannot have alcohol on wide open either, but I like adding decor touches to it, and I'm going to be adding back these olive branches that I took from the top just to kind of tie in the olive tree that's in this room.
just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. Many years have.
And to add the wood tones, I added this wicker basket, and then I'm going to add some of the DIY eggs that I've created. They kind of look like they are a bit wood tone-ish, and then I also have the twine, or what is it, the wood ball on the bottom as well. And then to fill in the basket, I'm just adding white eggs, and these all came from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama.
Many tears have dried out. I know that I will be with you as long.
And this concludes my dining room decorate with me. What did you guys think? I think it turned out really nice. It's exactly the look that I'm going for, kind of tying every single room together to create a cohesive look in my whole house. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I still have a few more Easter and spring decorate with me videos coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure that bell is on so you get notified when new videos pop in. And if you are interested in any of my other channels, they are all linked down below. I share lots of daycare content in Life with Sonja. Lots of my DIY decor is over on my DIY channel. And if you are interested in any cooking videos, I have that one as well. And they are all linked down below. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.
You still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you. There isn't anything else be true.